This is a 4-zone irrigation controller installation tutorial video. From its appearance, it is easy to operate. Part 1, About installation. Step 1 is battery installation. Use a hex wrench or rotate counterclockwise by hand to open the battery compartment cover. Insert 4 new AA batteries. Close the battery compartment cover clockwise to ensure it is completely sealed. Step 2 is controller installation. Ground stake installation. Insert the stake vertically into the controller's base socket. Press firmly into the ground at desired location. Follow the controller wiring guide. Note: if there is a master valve, connect the red wire of the master valve to the number 4 wire, and the black wire to the C wire. Step 3 is wire connection. Connect the red wires of the sub-valve to the wires number 1 to number 4 labeled on the controller. Connect the black wire of the sub-valve to the C wire. That is the black wire. Once the wires are connected, seal the joints with waterproof tape. Rain sensor connection. If you are using a wired rain sensor, cut the yellow wire on the controller and strip the insulation to an appropriate length. Connect the wire of the rain sensor to the yellow wire. Don't cut the yellow wire if you aren't using a wired rain sensor. Part 2 is operation instructions. Current time setting. Press set button to time setting mode. Press the 2 left buttons. To adjust time, press the manual button to confirm the settings and proceed to the next time setting. Setting sequence is 12-hour or 24-hour format selection, hour setting, and minute setting. Set start time. Press set button to start time. Adjust time in 15-minute steps with the 2 left buttons. Press manual button to switch between start time 1 to 4. Press A-B button to toggle between program A and B. Set watering duration. Press set button to how long. Set duration using the 2 left buttons. Duration range is 1 minute to 240 minutes. Press manual button to switch between zone 1 to 4. Press A-B button to toggle between program A and B. Set watering frequency. Press set button to how often. Set frequency using the 2 left buttons. Watering frequency range is 1 hour to 31 days. Press A-B button to toggle between program A and B. Set water budget. Press set button to water budget. Adjust the percentage 10 to 200% in 10% steps via the 2 left buttons. Press A-B button to toggle between program A and B. Auto setting. Press set button to auto to activate scheduled program. Press A-B button to toggle between program A, B, or both running simultaneously. Long press A-B button to access master valve mode. OFF setting. Press set button to off to deactivate all watering programs. There are extra functions. Rain delay setting. Press set button to auto. Long press delay button to entering delay setting mode. Short press the 2 left buttons to set duration, 24-hour, 48-hour, or 72-hour. Long press the delay button again to confirm. Cancel by long pressing delay button or press set button. Manual watering. Press set button to auto. Long press manual button to enter manual mode. Short press manual button to cycle zones. Press the 2 left buttons to set duration. Cancel by long pressing manual button or press set button. Main valve setting. In auto mode, long press A-B button to activate M4 master valve. Long press A-B button again to deactivate. More information can be found in the instructions. Thanks for watching.